were certainly the issue this afternoon. If you happen to be on the east side, I did go to the east side today, and yeah, the winds were stronger as we anticipated they would be, even the northeast side of town. Where Brian in the northeast, he sent me a text and said, hey, the winds are really howling over here, just right around 45 miles per hour. But the winds are coming down, and now we just look at our latest FUTURETRACK computer model, which we're going to be watching the weekend because we're going to see a little slug of moisture gradually make its way into town here. But if you notice as we head into tomorrow looks good. I mean, all in all, we'll have a lot of sunshine across town. The winds aren't going to be much of an issue throughout the day. So you're out in the sunshine, just doing some work around the house. Maybe you're still stringing up some Christmas lights, putting up some decorations. You're going to have a pretty nice looking day. But you notice as we head into Friday, well, here we start to see some clouds out ahead of the next system and the next cold front, which is going to be moving through here very late Friday night into early Sunday. Now, you notice here by Sunday morning at 9 o'clock, yeah, we deal with some clouds. And if we run our latest FUTURETRACK rainfall model, here we are at 6 o'clock. And you notice out here, we start to pick up some rain out here in Hudspeth County and Culberson County. Not a whole lot to get too excited about, but you can see the numbers increase. 10 o'clock on your Saturday night. Well, now, Tornillo, maybe 2/10 of an inch according to this model run. You can see out there in Van Horn, maybe 1/1300 of an inch as we continue to run the model. Now we're into Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock, and you can see how the numbers begin to go up just a bit across town. Maybe Sierra Blanca just shy of 2/10 of an inch and about 3/10, getting close to 4/10 of an inch out there in Van Horn. So certainly the possibility of some rain is going to make its way in here. Here's your weekend forecast. The wind's up a little bit on Saturday on the west side of town. Maybe some gusts at about 30 or so, but it will be a cooler weekend. 56 and then 53 expected on Sunday. Las Cruces for you guys. Here's your weekend forecast. 55 on Saturday and 50 anticipated for your Sunday. All right, watch over the next several days. We go 64, 66 on Friday, Saturday at 56 degrees. You'll notice the overnight lows. Again, we haven't had our first official freeze of the season as of yet, and we're going to be close in the ballpark if you look at some of these numbers. Maybe 34 in here by Sunday morning, but I still don't anticipate we'll have the first freeze, so very likely we will set a new record for the latest freeze of the season, latest first freeze, but we'll talk more about that coming up in just a little bit.